Okay, students, now we'll start with the part 3, okay, of the same lesson, page number 18. Okay, one evening, her husband came home with an air of triumph. Air of triumph means like very victorious, एकदम खुशी खुशी जैसे कुछ हासिल किया है. Because actually, Matilda's husband knew that Matilda liked all rich things, but he could not give her. And that is why one day he came very happily home. Yes, जैसे उसने कुछ जंग जीत लिया ऐसा he came home. Why? Holding a large envelope. उसके हाथ में एक बड़ा सा लिफाफा था, big envelope in his hand. Look, he said, here's something for you. Now why did he tell here's something for you? Because he knew that Matilda liked all rich things, and he knew that Matilda would like what he brought. Yes, let us see what he brought in the envelope. She tore open the paper and drew out a card. Drew out a card means removed a card. Yes, she tore open the envelope and she brought out a card on which was printed the words. Now here we come to know that this card was an invitation card. What it was? Invitation card. The Minister of Education and Madame Georgius Ramponio request the pleasure of Monsieur. Now please students, MME means madam, but in English we say madam. In French we say it madame. What do we say? Madame. And M, Monsieur. Monsiur. Monsieur means what? It is the sir. What we call it for sir. Monsiur. Okay. So the Minister of Education and Madame Georges Ramponio request the pleasure of Monsieur and Madame Loisel's company at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18th. So Loisel means Matilda's husband's surname, Loisel. They invited Matilda and her husband for a party. Yes, there was a party in the ministry and it would be a very big party. So that is why what did Loisel, Matilda's husband, think? Now Matilda will feel very happy because he knew that Matilda liked to go for party and all that. Instead of being delighted, now Matilda, I told you, no, कभी खुश नहीं रहती थी. She wanted more and more and more. So instead of being delighted, instead of being happy, delighted means very happy, as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully. And what did she do? She took the envelope, she seen the invitation and threw it on the table very angrily. Resentfully means angrily. And muttered. Muttered means spoke out very unclearly. What do you want me to do with that? And how did she tell? What should I do with that? Usse mera kya hai? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? Now why was she angry? Because she thought she did not have a proper dress to go for the party. She did not have a proper dress. Now students, in France, how they wear that dress, very big gowns, beautiful flowing gowns. But Matilda did not have that way rich dress to go to the party. And that is why she was angry. He hadn't thought of that. Now Loisel was a very simple man. Yes, Matilda's husband उससे एकदम ऑपोजिट था. He was very simple. उसको ये ख्याल ही नहीं आया कि अरे Matilda will now get angry because she does not have a dress. He stammered. Stammered means spoke very difficulty, like with difficulty. Why? The dress you go to the theater in, it seems very nice to me. Now what did Loisel tell? that, oh, you have got a dress with which you put to go to the theater. Theater means, jaise we go to see films. In France, they go to the theater to see concerts, dramas, and there no the women wear big gowns with caps and nice beautiful jewelry and all that. So that is why Loisel tells Matilde, why don't you wear that dress which you put to the theater? It seems very nice to me. That is very nice, beautiful dress. He stopped, stunned, distressed, to see his wife crying. Lekin, when he was telling that, suddenly what did Matilde start doing? She started crying. And Loisel, until he stopped as he was talking. Stunned. Stunned means shocked and distressed, disappointed, to see his wife crying, because Matilde started crying. He stuttered. Stuttered means he spoke with difficulty. What's the matter? Let's see, Matilde, how much would a suitable dress cost? Now he understood that Matilde was crying. Why? Because she wanted a more beautiful dress. And that is why he asked her, don't cry. What's the matter? Let us see. How much will a dress cost? Let me see. She thought for a moment, and at once, she thought for a moment, computing the cost. Computing means calculating the cost. Yes, just totaling. कि कितना बोलूँ? What should I tell? नहीं तो if I tell too much money, Loisel will not give me. So I should tell a amount which will be suitable. And also wondering what amount she should ask for without an immediate refusal. And she was just thinking, अभी मैं कितना बोलूँ कि नहीं तो if I'll tell more, at once Loisel will tell no, let it be, जाने दो, नहीं जाएंगे. Yes, he will at once refuse. At last she answered hesitantly. Hesitantly means quite forcibly, unwillingly. I don't know exactly, but I think I could do with 400 francs. And what did she tell? Oh, I can just do with 400 francs. And the way she told 400 francs, just say, oh, very low, less amount. But Loisel, it was big amount. Francs is a French currency. He turned little pale. लेकिन लॉइजल को ये अमाउंट बहुत बड़ा लगा और वो एकदम उसके तो होश उड़ गए. He turned little pale because he had been saving the exact amount. Secondly, इतना ही उसने पैसा सेव किया था. Why he had saved that much money? To buy a gun for hunting summer. You know, no, foreigners, they saved money and then they go hunting, they go fishing, they go this thing like on any adventure. So here also he had saved 400 francs so that he could buy a gun to go hunting. In the country near Nanterre. Nanterre is the name of a place in France. So he decided that he will go with his friends in the summer. Little activity, little adventure. With a few friends. However, he said, अभी उसने उतना ही पैसा बचाया अपने लिए. But still for all, he wanted to see Matilde happy. He wanted to see his wife happy. And that is why he said, very well, I can give you 400 francs. And what did Loisel tell? I will give you the 400 francs. But try and get a really beautiful dress. Yes. Now 400 francs for Loisel was quite a big amount. And that is why he tells Matilde, okay, I'll give it to you. But try and get a nice, beautiful dress. Really beautiful dress. Okay. Now students, we'll stop till here and then in the next lecture we will continue with this only lesson. Okay. So try to read how much we have finished so that you all can remember, recollect when I will start with the other part. Okay. See you all. Bye.